In today's video, I am going to talk about downloading landing pages, customizing them using our built-in editor, and then directly deploying them to your server. Let's get started. You can invoke the download and deploy function on the Synopsis tab by clicking on any creative on the main listing page. When you click the download and deploy button, a dialog box opens. The dialog box has a URL field that contains the URL of the landing page. You have an option to modify this URL if you notice any error in the URL. In addition, as stated on the dialog box, it is a good idea to make sure that the landing page is alive by clicking on the Visit Page button. Once you confirm that the landing page is alive, you can initiate the downloading by clicking on the OK button. At this point, you will see a message saying that the download has begun. You can view the progress of your download either by clicking on the link provided here, or you can continue to let it download in the background. The downloading progress can also be viewed at any point by clicking on your user avatar icon and selecting Web Page Downloader from the drop-down menu as shown. On the download page, you will find progress of all the downloads, including the one we just initiated. On the top, you will also see the steps that are involved in downloading and deploying a landing page. We are currently at the first step, which is the download step, as shown by the highlighted icon. It is followed by Edit step, which in turn is followed by Optimization step, which minimizes the code for faster page loading. Final step is the Deployment step, where the landing page is uploaded to the server. Below that, you will see your current download quota for your account. Each user has fixed amount of disk space dedicated for download and storage of landing pages. When the quota is filled, old pages are automatically deleted and replaced with newer pages. If you wish to retain any landing pages, please click on the checkbox as shown. In addition, you can delete any page by clicking on the Delete button. Now, let's explore various steps of customizing and optimizing a downloaded landing page followed by server deployment. To customize and modify the downloaded landing page, click on the Edit button next to it. If you wish to download unmodified landing page on your PC, you can do that by clicking on Zip and Download button. When you click on the Edit button, you will see a dialog box for selecting the page editor. The fully functional editor has all the bells and whistles to completely customize the landing page, whereas the simple quick editor has only limited functions. The pros and cons of each editor are mentioned on the dialog box. Let's use the comprehensive editor with full functionality for this tutorial. As you can see, the editor has a range of page editing functions in the toolbar, which includes text formatting, color formatting, paragraph formatting, hyperlink editing, multimedia functions including image and video insertions, table formatting, and other special characters. If you are well versed with HTML, you can directly edit the source code by clicking the button with two arrows as shown. In addition, we have three special functions that deserves additional explanation. First one is Bulk Link Editor. Clicking on this button opens a dialog box that shows all the unique outbound links present on the landing page. You can replace all of them to desired URLs by pasting them in the Replace to field. Typically, you want to insert your own affiliate offer link in these boxes. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will replace all the links to direct the user to google.com. Second one is JS Edit function that identifies in-page JavaScript present on the page. This script can be some type of analytics code such as Google Analytics, Facebook Analytics, or other third-party JS tracking code. You may want to either remove it or replace it with your own code. Third one is Find and Replace function that allows you to replace text in bulk. This is particularly useful if you are using the landing page to promote another offer and you want to replace the name of the offer everywhere on the page. Now, let's edit the page by formatting the text and fonts. Here I am going to change the headline font to Impact and change its color to red. Let's save the changes that I have made to this landing page by clicking on the Save button. The button gives me the opportunity to optimize the code by minifying it so that it loads faster. I am keeping all the minification options selected. However, if you see any error on the page, such as JavaScript not working properly, you may want to uncheck these options. As you can see, the code is being optimized. Once the optimization is complete, you will have the option to either download the modified landing page on your PC or deploy it directly to the server. I am going to upload this landing page directly to our AWS account by clicking on the Deploy button. The Deploy button will open a new dialog box that will prompt me to select the server and allow me to create an additional subfolder on the server to store the landing page. After selecting the server and typing the subfolder name, I can start the deployment process as shown. As you can see, the deployment process has started. It will take less than a minute to deploy the page. Once the page is deployed, you can view the page on your server by clicking on the Go to URL button. As you can see, the landing page is fully deployed on the server with the changes we made to it, including the text changes and outbound URLs, which are now pointing to google.com. This page is now ready to receive traffic. This demonstrates the simplicity of deploying customized landing pages to your server using Anstrex. To summarize, in this tutorial, I covered the entire process of creating your own landing page from a competitor's page and directly deploying to your server using inbuilt tools from Anstrex. With that, I conclude this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Cheers!